So, Charmaine, what do you think? Jesslyn?
Yeah, I think it's very good that you help the company's workflow and everyone can have a team building and then you can work together to achieve our goal for this company in the long run.
Good job. Pay attention, are you? Okay, moving on. As you guys know, right? I just got married, right? So my husband and I, we want to renovate our house also, but then we've been so busy with work. I think we cannot even have time to go and find interior designers. But even if we need to find, right, we have to find more than one. We need to find a few because we need to compare the price. Really damn stressed.
It's okay, I can help you if you need any help.
Oh yeah. I think that'll be great.
Don't worry, I can help you also, boss, because you're an excellent boss.
Okay, can. I don't mind the help. Wow, Charmaine, you still not back from lunch?
Charmaine? I don't know, I don't know where she go. Maybe lunch lor.
Too long.
I don't know.
Alright, remember last week I asked you guys to help me find interior designers, right? Can you guys give me what you guys have?
Oh yeah, I went to Jurong, Tampines and Woodlands and I found these 3 interior designs for you.
Can. How about you?
Boss, for such an excellent boss like you, I find 6 excellent interior designers for you. How I go about it?
Wow, you really put in a lot of effort.
Yeah, anything for you, boss. Yes. Yeah.
Wow, Jesslyn, you really put in a lot of effort to go and find all the interior designers for me. Charmaine, I think you need to learn from Jesslyn. This one is good, but not good enough. You can do better. Okay, meeting dismissed.
They don't even know I use Renopedia. I didn't even go out the office.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.